Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at the past continuous and the past simple. First of all, have a look at this sentence. I was washing my hair. Not me personally, because I haven't got any, but the example sentence, I was washing my hair, to talk about an action that was in progress sometime in the past. For example, last night I was washing my hair. Last night I was washing my hair. Past form of the verb to be was, I was, and then ing on the end of wash. I was washing. In the middle of washing my hair, the telephone rang. Past simple, a little action in the middle of that continuous action. So, last night I was washing my hair when the telephone rang. So when you're telling a story, past continuous, and then some extra information in past simple to say what happened in the middle of that long action. So, past continuous and past simple. Use them when you're telling a story. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.